Lake Louise, Part 4. I remember this part of the trail so well. It was very hot, very humid just after a thunderstorm. I'd found a bottle on the trail and it had fishing line on it, kept getting wrapped around the tongue of my shoe. And I think I'm just pushing through the heat here. So do excuse a lot of the out of breath sounds in this video. I hope you enjoy this part of the trail.
Another point of interest sign. Okay. Beauty and the feast. Monarch butterflies are attracted to milkweed plants. The poison in the leaves that the caterpillar and butterflies eat makes them distasteful to their predators. One who kills and eats their prey. The name milkweed comes from the white, milky sap in the plant stems. Look for pinkish purple flowers in the summer and seed pods in the fall. I hope the wind isn't too bad. Like I said, if it is, I will remedy it on my next trip. But it sure feels good on a 90-degree day. More trash. Note to self, bring trash bag. Oh boy, it's got a fishing line connected to it. Okay. Okay. Out there's the park entrance. Ooh, dragonfly. Look at all this garbage, except for my map. I think this is the right way. I hope this is the right way. Oh man. Okay, I just went around there. Yeah, so when I come out, take a right. I should be going into, after a slight walk here. I should be going into the west campground. Oh dear, here's a loop that I wasn't expecting. Okay, maybe the west campground's up here. Which would make sense. The sun is right overhead. Ah, milkweed. Oh no.